Welcome back to another daily doodle session. This is part 3 of drawing different shapes of snowflakes. So let's give it a go. So like normal, we're starting with a cross in the middle. And one last line in the middle here. Okay. So when you get to this point, we're going to add smaller lines in between the existing ones. Try and make them about the same length. And one more here. Right, now what we're going to do here, we're going to make a little star in the middle. Just do them one by one. Very simple. And the last one. Okay. So now when we're here, we're just sort of going to do a similar sort of shape a little bit higher up. But this time we're actually going to do 2 of these. Okay. And then we can move on to the next section. Double lines. And we've got just a few more to go. And the last one. Right. So now at this point, we're just going to add some very simple lines. Three on each of these. We're almost finished. And the last one. All right. So this is it. That's today's snowflake for you. I'll come with another one tomorrow, and I hope to see you there.